Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you saw 2 videos ago, I did an overview on the 57 and where it's at, where it's headed. And today I actually wanted to introduce to you a new project. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so as you just saw, it is a 1974 Super Beetle. I'll start with kind of how, or like history of the car, and then kind of how it got to me. So when my dad was at peak performance, it belonged to a customer, and then they were looking to sell it, so he bought it. And then my grandfather on my mom's side bought it from him, and it's got had a 1900 in it, and raced it for a little while, didn't do anything too crazy to it, always in the trailer, just regular maintenance stuff to it. There's actually a picture of it on the wall here. So that's my grandfather at the bug out, 2008. So that's what the car looks like, or looked like. And then that clip you saw earlier was the day I got it, just taking it for a test drive, and then less than 48 hours after that, we tore the whole thing down. I did not get a video of it, which I'm kicking myself for, but we just put it up on the lift. Literally, this is the pan right here. We stripped it down to nothing. So yeah, I'll give you guys a look at the pan. We are doing floor pans in it. Some Wolfsburg West floor pans are on the way. We are thinking about, or pretty much set on doing Mendiola A-arm suspension in the front, and then their True Track, I think they call it, in the rear. So that'll be pretty sweet. It is going to be a German look, kind of road racer type thing. So low, wide. I'm planning on putting pretty much the same engine that I'm doing for the 57 in there. So 2332 turbo, EFI, fuel tech, all that. So, but this car is going to be more drivable. It's going to be the street car, just ripping around, around here and stuff. So yeah, that's kind of the plans for it. We haven't really started a whole lot of work. I will be ripping these floor pans out soon. But I'll go outside here and give you guys a look at the body and what it looks like right now. Alright, so walking out to the body here, you can see it's pretty good shape paint-wise. It's got factory glass. It does have, for fiberglass, it's got Creative Carcraft hood, wider front fenders, stock width rear fenders, and it had a fiberglass slide-on rear apron cover. But you can look inside, it's pretty solid. We kind of caught this car at a good time. It's got a little bit going on down here on the heater channels, which most likely we can patch up. We'll see what it looks like once we get it sandblasted. So hopefully not too big of a deal there. The only other thing it's got that's we're gonna have to do something about is this little section up here. It's got the same thing on the other side, just typical rust, but the strut towers are in really good shape. Overall, the car is just in really, compared to what else you normally find, it's in really good shape. But I'm not going to do too much to the interior. I am doing a roll cage, different seats. Thinking about doing a custom tin dash, so I'll have to map all that out and figure it out. But if I could figure out a plan to make something work up there, that'd be really cool. Keeping the package tray, not doing a torsion raise or anything like that. Probably keep factory glass. And then, just redo the interior, all the door panels and headliner and all that stuff. So, there's really not too much to be done. It is getting repainted. So, I haven't decided on a color yet. As you know, the 57 is going to be like a dark charcoal metallic gray. Bounce around a couple ideas, maybe white, maybe Nardo gray. Something like that, but it'll be, low, wide wheels, kind of road racer stance to it. So that's kind of a look at the body as it sits right now. We probably won't be getting into this real soon. We've got a lot of work to do with the pan and suspension and all that. It's kind of our main concern. So that's that for now. Alright guys, so that's just a short little video of just introducing that car to you and kind of what the plans are. So I'll insert some pictures kind of the, if you're not familiar with the German look road racer type thing with the Super Beetles. And other than that, 57's kind of on hold for right now. I think I mentioned before in some of my videos that the next thing's going to be fender strips, getting those on. So we got a couple things going on right now, but once that car's off the lift and then probably floor pans are in this thing, get the 57 on there and get back at that. So anyways, guys, thanks for all the support. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys like, what you guys don't. So see you guys in the next video.